Once upon a time in the enchanting village of Willowbrook, there lived a kind-hearted young girl named Sofia. Sophia's tender heart was attuned to the whispers of the wind and the songs of the streams. She loved exploring the nearby enchanted forest, where the trees were said to hold secrets as old as time itself. One sunny afternoon, while wandering in the forest, Sofia came across a glen filled with twinkling lights. To her amazement, one of those lights flitted closer and revealed itself to be Tinkerbell, the spirited fairy with sparkling wings like dew-kissed petals. Tinkerbell was in a bit of trouble. Her magic wand, a tiny piece of wood infused with the purest stardust, had been stolen by Silas the Mischievous, a playful yet somewhat naughty squirrel. "Oh, Sofia, I need help," Tinkerbell sighed, her wings gently fluttering in the dappled sunlight. "Without my wand, I can't help the flowers bloom or paint the morning skies." Sofia, always eager to help her friends, especially magical ones, smiled reassuringly. "Don't worry, Tinkerbell. We'll find Silas and your wand. Let's work together." And so, off they went, deeper into the forest, guided by Tinkerbell's tiny heart that glowed with courage and hope. They came across a bustling family of rabbits, busy preparing their burrow for the upcoming spring. Sofia noticed their little noses twitching curiously. "Have you seen a mischievous squirrel with a wand?" Sofia asked kindly. The mother rabbit nodded, pointing toward the towering elderberry bushes. "He loves to play hide and seek near the berry patches," she chattered. Sofia and Tinkerbell thanked the rabbits and soon reached the elderberry bushes. There, they found Silas giggling mischievously, hiding behind a cascade of vibrant berries. "There you are, Silas," Tinkerbell said playfully, her voice as light as a summer breeze. "Why don't we play a new game where everyone is happy?" The end. Please like and subscribe our channel for more stories. Thanks for watching.